From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
New Zealand is home to several species of mussels, both native and introduced, which play important ecological and economic roles. New Zealand has three main native mussel species: Kutai New Zealand green, lipped mussel Perna canaliculus, endemic to NZ. This is the most famous and commercially valuable species. It has been harvested by Māori for centuries and is now a major aquaculture product. Black mussel Perna perna. Less common than the green-lipped mussel, found in northern regions. Blue mussel Mytilus gallo-provincialis, a native species that is also found in other parts of the world. In the 19th century, European settlers began harvesting mussels more intensively. By the mid-20th century, wild mussel stocks were declining due to over-harvesting and pollution. 1960s, 1970s, the green-lipped mussel became the focus of aquaculture. Scientists and farmers developed farming techniques, particularly in the Marlborough Sounds. 1970s present. New Zealand became a global leader in mussel aquaculture. Green-lipped mussels are now farmed extensively, with exports worth hundreds of millions of dollars annually. They are prized for their size, flavor, and health benefits, for example, anti-inflammatory properties. Today, New Zealand's mussel industry is a key part of its seafood exports, with green-lipped mussels being an iconic marine resource.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.